Hello everyone, and this is a little drawing video for you guys of me drawing a new prehistoric animal. And this is a little prehistoric mammal that has existed in South America, and it's another saber-toothed. This is another saber-toothed animal, but this time it's a little different. Instead of like the saber-toothed tiger, which I already drew, I'm going to draw like it's called a Thylacosmilus. That's what it's called. It's actually a saber-tooth marsupial, which is actually similar to saber-tooth tigers, but a little smaller. It's pretty much just like a leopard, but like a saber-tooth leopard. Yeah, but it was like marsupial as well. So yeah, it's called a Thylacosmilus. That's what it's called. I guess because it has convergent adaptation with those kind of animals in general. Yeah, I mean it's the same kind of adaptation that like saber-tooths usually have in terms of like ambush predators in general. So let's start. It's pretty freaky animal too, a little. Yeah, I looked up Google. I look up images on Google how to draw at least illustrations and stuff, like realistic full illustrations of it. It's kind of freaky, to be honest. Yeah, I'm probably just gonna start off with the body first. Gonna draw the body first. Let's see. Is a short tail like this. Nah, his tail's not that long. Okay. I'm going to, let's see. I guess I can start right here. Do some more corrections. I'm going to draw the pack. Maybe I drew his legs too small. Let's do some more corrections. I mean, it's it's pretty much as large as a dog, honestly, despite how weird it looks. I want to draw the. Jeez, my tablet. Yeah, my notifications on my tablet. I'm doing a lot of corrections here because I want to get this illustration right. I don't want to like. Yeah, that's better. I guess I can make the legs shorter a bit. Something like this. And I'm going to draw the back leg like this. Yep, that's better. Yeah, I finally got it right. I guess I can. I might as well just draw as many features right quick. I maybe I should just start off with that instead. Has this large bone right here that says that styles with this that goes along with his saber tooths, like his saber teeth. Let me change the camera a bit. Wait, it's upside down. Okay, it's better. It was a hyper carnivore. So maybe he preyed on tapirs back then. Yeah, because this was like an Ice Age animal too. Kind of like the Thylacosmilus. The Thylacosmilus were mostly in America. Maybe he preyed on tapirs, probably. I can never see that, honestly. Draw a saber teeth like this. Yep, like that. That's kind of freaky, honestly. His ears were like here. I guess I got the body proportions right. Yeah, at least I got that correctly. I guess I can draw stylize the nose a bit. Yeah, I guess I can draw the stripes on his back too, like most predators usually have. I guess I can do more corrections on the feet again. Let me see. I could draw like this. Yeah, that's better. I can draw the stripes on his back too. Actually, that's kind of cool, honestly, with the stripes on his back. I guess it's cool like most Sabertooths. Sabertooths are just cool in general, honestly. Sabertooth tigers. Thylacosmilus. I guess they call him Thylacosmilus because of its saber-tooths and stuff. I forgot what that song was again. Oh, that was Pokemon. Yeah, I guess this creature maybe thought of Pokemon because it's definitely like a Pokemon. It's definitely like a type of obscure animal that Pokemon will make a monster out of, honestly. Yeah, it's a Pokemon song. So yeah, that's Thylacosmilus, and here's the image of it. Pretty freaky, right? Yeah. Luckily, these animals weren't really that big. They were pretty much as large as a dog, or at least smaller than most saber-tooths in general. Because most saber-tooth, let's say saber-tooth tigers, were just as big as lions, but this one's just as big as like maybe in terms of cats in general, it's mostly like a leopard. It's smaller than a leopard. Yeah. I guess you're more of a threat to a leopard. A leopard would probably be a bigger threat than a Thylacosmilus, honestly. Yeah, it's another Ice Age animal in general. I do want to make more of these prehistoric animal videos since the ground slot video did so well. I wanted to make more of these kind of like prehistoric animal videos. But I want to do like obscure. I want to do like obscure animals in general. Like obscure animals in general. Yeah, stuff that people never heard of in general. I guess people did heard of the ground sloth. That's probably why they clicked on it in general. Like they watched Ice Age and saw Sid the ground sloth. Yeah, or saber tooth. I know people know saber tooth tigers are too in general. Yeah, maybe I'll draw Thylacosmilus next, like the marsupial lion. Yeah. So this is, I guess they say this is a saber-tooth marsupial, but it doesn't have a specific marsupial name for it. Yeah, I'm not rambling on a bit, but this creature is just so interesting. I just want to just talk about it in general. So yeah, so make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and that's it. Yeah, just rambling on for you guys.